Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Corolla cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your car's air quality. First, locate the cabin air filter, which is typically found behind the passenger side glove box. Before you begin, make sure to empty the glove box completely to avoid any spills. You will also need a new cabin air filter, which usually costs around $15 to $25. Now, let's get that glove box out of the way. On the right side, you'll find a small damper arm. Gently unhook it from its peg. Next, carefully push in on both sides of the glove box simultaneously. This action will release the plastic stops, allowing the glove box to swing down and fully expose the rectangular cabin air filter housing. This step requires a gentle but firm touch to avoid damaging the plastic components. With the glove box open, you'll see the filter housing cover. Squeeze the two tabs on either side of this cover and pull it off. Now, carefully slide out the old filter and its tray. Notice the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. It typically points downwards. Install your new filter into the tray, making sure its airflow arrow also points down, matching the direction of air movement into the blower motor. Almost done. Once the new filter is securely in its tray, slide the tray back into the housing. Reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Now, lift the glove box and push it back into its original position, making sure the side stops re-engage. Finally, reattach the damper arm to its peg on the right side of the glove box. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, saving yourself potentially $50 to $100.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.